Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Robinhood security for privacy and safe trading step by step clearly. Download the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play. Install and open the app on your device. Create a new account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, navigate to the account icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on the account icon to access your profile settings. Scroll down and select the Settings option. In the Settings menu, look for Security. Select Security to begin adjusting your privacy settings. Enable two-factor authentication if it's not already turned on. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code sent to your phone each time you log in. Next, revisit the Settings menu and look for Notifications. Customize your notification settings based on your preferences. Consider turning off notifications for price alerts if privacy is a concern. Look for Privacy in the Settings menu. Review the options available to better manage your data. You may want to disable location services if you prefer to keep that information private. Check any settings related to data sharing. Limit how much of your information you share with third parties. Once you've made all the necessary changes, return to your main account screen. It's essential to regularly update your password for added security. Make sure your password is strong and not easily guessable. After you've confirmed your settings, log out of the app to ensure your changes are applied. Finally, log back in to verify that everything is set as you intended. Always stay informed about future security updates from Robinhood. Regularly review your security settings to adapt to any new features or threats. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.